Alicia, your dear friend, and I'm coming to you with a video about trying to get pink out of my hair. So, y'all, I had dyed my hair like pink and purple. My hair was initially like blonde, and I had got like some pink and purple semi-permanent dye on it around Halloween, and like after it faded, the pink, it was like a light pink color, and it was kind of cute, but it started fading a lot. So I'm really to the point now that I'm over it, so I'm gonna try to get it out. And I was kind of researching it before I had chose to act on it, and I actually came across somebody on YouTube using something called Colorfix, one and only. So today, that's what we're gonna be trying. I got this from Sally's, and it was like $13 and some change, which is not bad. And also, while we're doing that, see, you can see like the hints of pink, but then you can see some of the blonde coming in. And then there was a different one too. There was one called Color something by Punked, or whatever that one company is. But that one had like a bleaching agent in it too, and I didn't necessarily want to put more bleach in my head. I had got like a keratin treatment like what, 3 months ago. They said it's supposed to last like 90 days, and I really just don't want to put any more chemicals on my head. So we're gonna see how much of this we can get to come out. From what I'm hearing, from what one of the guys at Sally's told me, he said it actually takes a lot to get pink out of your head. That is pretty hard to get out of your head. I do have on a shirt, by the way, but it takes a lot to get it out. And then it's so crazy because like the darker lavender colors have turned gray. That's this gray, you see. I just took my wig off, so I still got like some glue and stuff on my edges, but I'm not really worried about that right now. And then after we do that, this is gonna be like a 2-in-1 thing, because I actually ended up picking up like a dupe of the Olaplex. Like I could have bought the Olaplex, but I'm like, I don't want to wait for the Olaplex because it would make no sense to order it and then it come, because I should be getting my hair done next weekend. And they have actually two. They have one that's called Ultrabond, and they have one called Ultrabond. The color pop fix thing, whatever it was, that one with the bleaching agent in it actually had like some of the Ultrabond in it. Like it had a mask in the actual packaging, which as it should, because it has bleach in it. This one doesn't, but this one has argan oil, the Colorfix. This was $13, like I said, and then the other one with the bleaching agent in it, that one was actually like $15. And then the Ultrabond stuff, that's like a dupe of Olaplex, was actually like $29 or something like that. Versus me getting the Ultra Brown, what the freak? I meant Ultrabond. This stuff was like what, $10 for a large, and it says it's the number 2. This is the treatment part: built-in bonding, bond synergy, deep treatment, proven to strengthen and protect hair. I'm gonna do this after I try to get some of the blonde out. So I usually would have my mixing cup. I don't know where it is right now. So we are going to improvise, and then we'll talk about this in a second. So with the Colorfix, it says for one that, see, the instructions are on the inside of the box. It's crazy. Spanish. So it says ensure hair is clean and dry. It is dry. Is it clean? No. it says Colorfix Color Reducer Part 1 and Conditioning Catalyst Part 2 in a tint bowl or an applicator bottle. We don't have an applicator bottle, but we're gonna mix these two together, however much we're gonna try. And then it says, wearing gloves and using a tint brush, apply quickly and evenly to the hair if mixed in a bottle. Shake vigorously, gently work through penetrating the hair. After mixing, part 1 in color reducer, use as quickly as possible since the activity of the mixture decreases with time. And then it says cover loosely with the plastic cap and process up to 20 minutes with a warm, drier heat. Setting may be used for to speed up the processing time. Then after that, it says that we rinse. So once we achieve the color that we want, we will go on to step 3, which is the processing lotion. And you apply that, and it says, due to the nature of dye molecules, it is possible that hair may darken to an unacceptable level. If it does, repeat step 2 to 4 on the hair until sufficient color is removed. Rinse well. No, that kind of scared me. The tips are do a strand test. I don't feel like doing that. Low pH conditioner, like one and only argan oil moisture, repair conditioner. It says it only partially removes these with color dye, so we're gonna try this first. Let's see. What we get? Oh, I like this. I like this. I like how you lift the thingy. Ew. That shit stinks. Smells like sewer. Just mix that together and use what we have. So I made some bang bang shrimp. This is my first time making it. Bro, and when I tell y'all, the sauce came out so good. It was so good. I haven't ate it yet. Like, you know how you taste as you're cooking and stuff. Came out really good. I like some Parmesan fries. I'm gonna cook when I want to, when I feel like it. So hopefully this does something for us. I think the other girl's hair was like just about the same color. Oh, she had got a hooded dryer. I forgot to get one. The little ones you attach to the dryer. Oh, I don't want it on my skin. I don't know. Now I kind of like the way it smells. Even though it smells like egg. Is that weird? So I want to go find my little stand so I can go ahead and bring y'all with me. I'm gonna go wash this out. Last little bit. I don't know, I like the way it smells. I feel like I'm doing something good for my hair, but it's really not. It does have argan oil in it, but y'all think it's gonna come out? Pretty sure I have just done the baking soda, dandruff shampoo, Dawn, and what else? It was like developer. I think that I'm gonna set a timer for like 25 minutes and rinse my hair out, see what it's looking like, and then we'll know if I need to repeat it again or not, if I just do. Real quick comment. Real quick comment. Why does it feel like my head is busted, busted. Look like it took the toner out. Colorfix, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. Use the Ultrabond, the number 3. First is the number 3. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Rinse that out. Then do the Ultrabond, and then I'm gonna finish up with this, the Mielle hydrating conditioner. This is protein free. Again, I don't want to apply too much protein and overdo it. I'd rather just put more hydration into my hair until I get my natural curl pattern all the way back. So I'll be back. Okay, so basically it all came out for the most part. You see like this little pink strand I may later on down the line try to do that part, but majority of it literally mostly came out. Yeah, so I would give one and only Colorfix, I would give it a A+. I do think it took some of the toner out too, but that is fine. I'm actually okay with that. Yeah, so I hope you find this video useful. And if you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go to bed.